Codename One lets developers build native apps in Java from one codebase. Today, we are looking at why augmented reality and virtual reality development is unusually hard. Before any framework enters the picture, a basic augmented reality feature already splits. ARKit and ARCore expose different APIs, live in different toolchains, and pull developers toward different languages and build environments. The camera, gyroscope, accelerometer, and physical room are part of the program. That is why a normal simulator cannot simply invent the state that ARKit expects. Now reproduce that failure twice, once through the iOS device loop and once through the Android device loop. Tracking loss, changing planes, lighting, and image detection can disappear before a debugger catches them. Even a supported emulator brings its own system image, virtual camera, AR services, and architecture requirements. The setup is another environment to maintain before application code can be tested. This is where the Codename One augmented reality API changes the shape of the work. One Java API fronts the native iOS and Android backends, while the Java SE simulator keeps the same application logic inside a desktop debug loop. Here is the compiled sample. The code creates a session, places an anchored model, changes the model, forces degraded tracking, and restores it. Those are application and simulator state changes, not motion applied to a picture. Now watch the failure itself. The simulator reports limited tracking, rewinds the state change, and plays the recovery again slowly enough to inspect. The virtual reality side is also live. Media 360 View changes its yaw, pitch, and stereo state through the component API. The same Java project now covers native augmented reality and portable panorama viewing. The APIs, languages, tools, debugging loop, simulation states, and hardware checks no longer become 6 separate application problems. The developer works in one Java codebase, then ships through the native ARKit and ARCore backends. That is the practical change. One portable implementation, native augmented reality on both mobile platforms, and hard-to-reproduce room states available at the desk. Which augmented reality debugging state costs your team the most time?